You, yes, you, with the eyes and the ears, with the vision, with the understanding. Standing behind those standing at lab tables, at easels, those standing before the bench or for unheard voices, those working for a tomorrow we can all be proud to stand in. You who stand with them, you who have offered your shoulders for the students of today to stand upon. Maybe you have seen your life's work reflected in the pools of sweat long hours and lab coats produce. Maybe you have felt your hunger for change sated with those who repaint our cultural landscapes. Maybe you have sustained the same concussions as all those who hit the books full on. Maybe you have wrestled with the cartography of brains, mapping them so we might better find our way around their tangled folds. I see that you understand the evolutionary concept of keystone species, those linchpins of ecosystems, those ecosystem engineers, those species whose day-to-day pursuit of life makes more life possible for the diverse array of creatures that share the land with them. I see you understand this concept because you have identified that of the interlocking institutions from which a vibrant cultural ecosystem is constructed, the university is a keystone species, one from whose activities life may be enriched for all the others. Whether it be those who continue to study the markets to market the idea that we can do business today in a way that enriches the shareholders of tomorrow, or those who spend late nights in the studio collaging in collaboration with their classmates, envisioning innovation on canvas, or those who work beneath the belly of the whale to better understand and explain the endless variations that make life possible on this planet. Whether it be those who find themselves in unheard corners of the earth, journaling the stories unfolding around them so those corners may be better heard, or those who weave together medical disciplines with the dream that illness need not be the terminus station on our lifelines, or those who go out into the woods so they might live and breathe among those from whom the textbooks they study are made. You do more than open doorways, you build them. So may the bright eyes of the students who walk through them, may their sighs of debt relief and the solutions their mouths produce, may the ideas they provide to enlighten those who live in days to come, may these be your songs of praise. And may you and they, you and I, may we build for the future, guided by an understanding that there is a creative spirit at work in all those who work to make tomorrow brighter, an understanding that the best way to enrich the knowledge we gain through research is to enrich the experience of the students seeking that knowledge in classrooms, an understanding that where there is punishment or apology, there is also a field of learning in which the present and the future may find ways to avoid the missteps of the past, an understanding upon which we all stand as we plant the seeds of a system that will support greater diversity in our lives, an understanding that is a platform from which we may begin to start an evolution.